Car safety innovations, driving toward a safer future. Car safety has come a long way from basic seatbelts and airbags. Today's vehicles are packed with cutting-edge technologies designed to prevent accidents and protect passengers like never before. These innovations are transforming driving, making roads safer and giving drivers peace of mind. One major advancement is automatic emergency braking, or AEB. Using cameras, radar, and sensors, AEB detects potential collisions with vehicles, pedestrians, or obstacles. If the driver doesn't react in time, the system applies the brakes automatically. Studies show AEB can reduce rear-end crashes by up to 50%. Brands like Tesla and Volvo have made this a standard feature in many models. Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, takes cruise control to the next level. Unlike traditional systems, ACC adjusts speed based on the vehicle ahead, maintaining a safe distance even in heavy traffic. Paired with Lane Keeping Assist, which gently steers the car to stay within lane markings, it reduces driver fatigue and prevents drifting-related accidents. Another game changer is Vehicle-to-Everything, or V2X communication. This tech allows cars to talk to other vehicles, traffic lights, and infrastructure, sharing real-time data to avoid collisions. For example, a car could warn you of an approaching vehicle at a blind intersection. While still emerging, V2X is poised to revolutionize urban driving. Finally, driver monitoring systems use AI to track eye movement and alertness, ensuring drivers stay focused. If distraction or drowsiness is detected, the car issues alerts or even slows down. These innovations, combined with stronger materials and smarter designs, are saving lives. As automakers and tech companies collaborate, the future of car safety looks brighter than ever, paving the way for accident-free roads.